fog or weather message. For the following counties in Pennsylvania, Greene and Washington, the National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Western Fayette County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Central Greene County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southeastern Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania until 6:15 p.m. At 5:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southwest of Waynesburg, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Uniontown, Waynesburg, California, Charleroi, Massentown, Brownsville, Fredericktown, Millsboro, Jeffersonboro, Fairdale, Fairchance, Spears, and Isabella. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 37 and 40. Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 5 and 21. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-2 June 2nd, 1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Nearshore forecast. For the following nearshore location, Conneaut, Ohio to Ripley, New York. Small craft advisory in effect through Sunday afternoon. Tonight, north winds 15 to